In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a intersection as a new corridor. The intersection is going to be between this alignment over here and this one over here. So I have a main road and a subdivision. I have my assembly for the main road. I have my subdivision. I have my curve return from the subdivision road into the main road, and I also have a curve return assembly from the main road into the subdivision. I also have a profile for each with existing ground and a proposed. So I'm going to zoom in to my intersecting point. And I know that it's here because that's where my alignment ends. And if I select this other alignment, that's where both of them intersect. So for this, I'm going to go to the Home tab, Create Design, and I'm going to select Intersection and click on Create Intersection. And it wants to know like what is called the intersecting point of the two. So it's right here. I'm going to left click. And now I get my panorama window. I'm leaving everything as is. And one of the main reasons is because I only have certain styles, or only have one style for the marker and the label. So I do want my primary road to be crown, as is in here. My priority, I can't change it. It's automatically set by Autodesk. I'm going to set my offset parameters. And it wants to know what your street sizes are, or your sub-assemblies. So for mine, my lane road is 12 for each lane, and you can see it highlighted over here. Same thing for this one, it's a 12. For all of them. I'm going to click in Curve Return Parameters, and I'm going to move my panorama window so you can see it's coming in and turning right. And again, I want this at a 12 because that's the size of my lanes. I'm going to do next. And now it's going in the opposite, away from the subdivision into the main road. So again, both subdivision and new road, access road, have the same width. So I'm changing it to 12 in here. Lane slope parameters, by default, I'm leaving everything as is. Curve return is the next one I'm going to look. And again, ways it shows you the way it's coming in and what it's turning into. This one, I'm just going to leave everything else except for the last two sizes. And I'm going to click next. Same thing with this one. My lanes are 12 meters. Next. And you have two options. It will create a corridor at the intersection if this is checked. If not, nothing happens. But whether you want to use it as a new corridor, or keep it as a new one, or add it to an existing one, that's your choice. For this one, I'm going to create new corridor and leave all my defaults as is. And now we let it do its thing. And we have our intersection. And there you have it, coming into the from the main road into the subdivision and then going away. From here, the other thing that I could do, this alignment is continued. So I could break it down and change my where my corridors end and start to match my intersection. But you don't have to do that. Now in here, I can go into my layout and create my drawings.